Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula Shah Jied benchimti Biang kung National President jok National People's Party ha jing penthamai kinongkit kam kablalong ha Constitutional Club of India ha New Delhi ha khatsan trik ule bear arja apsan. Conrad ula Shah Jied Biang benyalami ke parti na kabenta kasamoy trekam jong usnam arja apsan apra. Kadbau State Working President jong Jala Arunachal Pradesh u paknga bagi ula Shah Jied benchimti kung General Secretary Organization ka Dr. Metab Agitok Sangma ka Shah Jied kum ka National Treasurer. Uba Prestun Tensong bulong State President joka NPP Meghalaya, balu State President joka Jala Manipur, u Joy Kumar Singh kila Shah Jied kum ki National Working President joka parti. Barhaka jo kapor la IG Mudru ba u General Secretary Organization barem u James K. Sangma un shimti kum National Working President. U Conrad sama ula penaru bagi dikhat joka National Committee na kabentau snam arja apsan arja apupra answer penbanano shet.
I very humbly accept this responsibility that has been given to me to continue to work and to serve as the President of the National People's Party. I also would like to congratulate the newly elected General Secretary Organization, Mr. Biang, who again has been somebody who has worked very closely with us for many years. Mr. Biang is a former cabinet minister for the government of Arunachal and MLA, and of course he was the working president of the state unit of Arunachal Pradesh for a very long time. And while our president, of course, was there, but he was also the candidate, and it was Mr. Biang who had to roam and work as the working president and conduct the campaign for all the other candidates throughout Arunachal Pradesh. So he comes with a load of experience about organization as well as politics and governance, and therefore I know that Arunachal Pradesh will be quite unhappy to lose him as working president, but he will be of a great help to the National Committee. And once again, I congratulate him for being elected unopposed to the post of General Secretary. I also would like to congratulate Dr. Metab Sangma for being elected once again unopposed for the post of National Treasurer. And it is during her time as the Treasurer the accounts and details of all the books, and as per the requirement from the Election Commission, the accounts have been made in order and have been submitted, and I'm very confident that in the coming years also the same discipline will be followed, and we will ensure that our accounts are in order. I also would like to share with you that within a very short period of time, I will be constituting a new committee at the national level and also appointing the different members of the different frontal organizations. And as the suggestions have come during the course of this meeting from different members who have spoken, especially about the membership drive as well as about the overall activity of the different state units. I'm sure that with a much more broader team and an active team, we will be able to look into these aspects and take the organization and the party forward.